I had not thought to see thy face, and lo, God showed me also thy seed. For the Lord has known the thoughts He's had for you, thoughts of peace and not of evil. So let the virgin rejoice and dance, both the young and old together. For the Lord has turned my mourning to joy. For hath comforted me. The Lord has made me to rejoice from my sorrow, and my soul as a woe.